Hello and welcome to Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play this groovy piece from the B2 list for Grade 1 saxophone called Jazz Music for Beetles. And then I'm just going to give a few words about the detail of the music, give you a short tutorial, and then I'm going to replay that accompaniment track for you to have a go along with the video yourself. Hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music. Let's get into some of that detail and talk about what's going to make it sound really good. So I'm just going to say a few words about the swing of this. Let's just have a little think about that. So you may not be aware of the full implications of what that means. So here's the quavers on that third bar. Here's how it would sound if the swing wasn't there and it was just standard straight quavers. But of course we know that that's played in a swingy style, so we're going to play it more of a sort of a 2/3 and a third rather than equal quavers. Makes it a bit more groovy, a bit more swingy. Also this opening thing where you come in, you kind of creep in, rise to forte and then creep back out again. That actually is quite an advanced thing to do. That's not an easy thing to do for a young player. So let's just have a little think about that. So just be careful as you're thinking about creeping in and out on those notes. Just be careful that you're not disregarding the time. Make sure you're keeping track of where you are on the beats really carefully. And down on bar 17, just be careful with the note lengths here, the articulation detail. So long, short, dab, dab, do, dab, and then do, dab, and on the next one too, then you're back to the swingy stuff. Just to finish the piece. So just be careful on the long notes that you are keeping time really carefully and just really go for it. Put loads of sound out there on this one. It's a good one to get the instrument warmed up on, I think. Okay, so I'm going to replay that performance track now. I've chosen a slightly steadier tempo than the exact tempo that they've indicated for 120. So I've chosen a slightly easier tempo. See if you can play along with the video yourself and keep it really in time with the piano. Here we go. Okay, so I think that's a wrap for Jazz Music for Beetles. Let me know how you're getting on with this piece. I'd love to hear from you. So leave me a comment in that comment section, and of course give me a thumbs up. I think a lot of players are going to be playing this one. It's quite cool. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.